Hey guys, welcome back. It's Raymond, your favorite geek videographer. And in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing Master Chief's Gamestop exclusive helmet. It's exclusive because it makes sound from the video games and it has some lights in the front, as you can tell here from the front of the box. So thank you so much to my friends from Gamestop London Square here in Miami, Florida. They always treat me with great customer service. So let's get to it. The box is pretty big, as you can tell. Let me turn it around so you can see it. It's really cool. It's a really cool box. I like it so far. As you can tell, I'm a big Halo fan, so this was a must get for me. And it's wearable, but with my big head, I don't know. So we'll find out. So let me open up real quick. Right here. Okay. Jesus. I put this right here. It comes like a stand to put the helmet. Okay, I think this is like for the batteries. Oof. Put this here. Jesus Christ. Man, it looks awesome. Esto está brutal. Damn. Can't wait. Like a little kid in Christmas. Jesus. I think my big head can fit in there, so we'll find out soon enough. Okay. The box. Oh, nice. Okay. So can you see it from there? Awesome, authentic. I like it. The details are great. Jeez. Man, it's awesome. Ooh. They really did a good job. Right here on the side. What do you think? Oh, I think I pressed a button right here, but that will be when I put the batteries on. The Spartan 117 number in the back for the AI, for the weapon, or Cortana. If you haven't played the game, well, you understand why. So right here, boom. Okay, let's see. Damn, the reflections are awesome. Let's see it one more time. Boom. Boom. Pretty awesome. So let's see if it fits my big head. So you can see my hat right here, BX Apparel, coming soon. Okay, let me take my glasses off. And the check. I can see pretty well. I don't know if you can hear me, but I think it fits pretty well. The details. Okay. Pretty awesome. I like it so far. And guys, we'll be right back because I'm gonna put the batteries and we can make the sound effects.
Victory! Victory!
So guys, we're back. I put the batteries on and let's check out the sound effects. So in the box it said that it had 15, so let's check them out. Okay, that seems like the commando. Battle rifle.
Sierra 117. Understood.
Not bad.
Incoming.
Awesome. Hold on. Let's
The mission's changed.
That's awesome. Okay.
We do it together.
Damn. Jesus. No tenía ganas. You really want to kill that guy?
It's an attack.
Damn.
Acknowledged.
Okay. Okay.
It's an attack. I'll buy us some time.
Master Chief, man. Badass.
Mark it. Let's go. What's the plan?
Okay. Oh, it turns off the lights too.
I'll buy us some time.
Then this is awesome. I like it a lot. Like they really did a really good job. If you're a big Halo fan, I highly recommend it. It's a GameStop exclusive. I don't know if they still have more available because I know they went out quick, but check online or your local GameStop store. And it's totally worth it if you're a big Halo fan. And man, the details are really good. Like everything, like the battle damage and everything on the helmet. Hey, and this will help. You never know. For Florida.con, Master Chief cosplay will be fun. Perfect. Let me put it right here. Perfect. As a stand, so you can show it out to your friends and family members. Pretty cool helmet, and I highly recommend it, like I said before. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you want to play some Halo with my friends, at me at Xbox Live, Ray21PR. Don't forget to follow Rincon Gaming. I'll put the link below. And thank you so much for tuning in. So remember guys, to always be extraordinary in everything you do, and everything will always fall into place poco a poco. So guys, take care, have a great day.